Hi everyone. In today's video, we're going to be learning to calculate the range, median, and mode from a set of values. Now, before getting started, it's probably a good idea to understand what these words actually mean. So first of all, the range is basically the difference between the smallest and the biggest numbers within a data set. The median is essentially the middle value within a data set. And the mode is the most common value within a data set. Now, the very first step for working out the range, median, and mode is to put all of your values in numerical order from smallest to biggest. So we have here a data set of 5 different numbers, and we want to put them in numerical order. So 4 is going to be the smallest. 9 is going to be up there a wee bit. We'll just reshuffle them so they're in numerical order. There we have it. So 4, 5, 6, 9, and 11. So we've reordered our numbers. And this is what you do to work out the range, mode, or median for any data set, any set of values. So first of all then, let's start with the range. Well, we know that the range is the difference between the smallest and the biggest number. How do we work out difference? Well, you've got a big clue on the screen here. It's subtraction. Difference is just a subtraction sum. So the biggest number is 11, and we're going to take away 4 here. 11 take away 4. The range of this data set is 7. And you can kind of see how this works. It's the total range of the numbers. What range of numbers does this span? It spans a total of 7 numbers, from 4 to 11. The next one we're going to work out in this case is the median, which is the middle number. Now in this case, it's nice and easy to work out. The median is just 6, because 6 is the number that's in the middle. We have a total of 5 numbers. Therefore, this number in the middle here is the median. There's 2 before it and there's 2 after it. So that's a nice, easy one to work out. And in this data set, there is no mode because no number appears more than once. So the mode has to be the most common value. But if there isn't one number that comes up more than the others, then there isn't a mode. Let's do the same, but for a different data set now. So, same thing as before, we're going to have to rearrange this so that it's all in number order. So we've got a whole load of 1s here. We're going to have to reshuffle these. Move things up a bit, move things down a bit. And there we have it. Our data set is now in number order. Now, starting off with the range again. Well, how do we work out the range? It's the difference. So we're going to have the biggest number take away the smallest number. In this case, 9 take away 1. So the range is going to be 8. Next, we're going to work out the median, which is the middle value. So again, we're going to count up all the numbers. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's an odd number again. So it should be fairly easy to work out the median in this case. We go to the middle number. Now, I've not put it exactly in the middle here, which makes it a bit more confusing because I've not spaced them out equally. But the middle number here would be 3. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers before it, and 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers after it. So 3 here would be the median. It is just the middle number within a set. And then lastly, the mode in this case is going to be 1. It's the most commonly occurring value. So that would be the mode. One last data set here. And again, same thing as before, we're going to have to put this in number order. So here we go. This is now arranged in number order. And so we can work out everything that we need to know. So the range, first of all. The range is the difference between the biggest and the smallest. So it's going to be 9 take away 2. And so the range is 7. The median in this case. Now this one's a little bit trickier because if we count it, there is no single middle value. This is an even set of numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 10 numbers here, which means there are two middle numbers, 6 and 7. They are both the middle numbers. So how do we do the median here? Well, what we need to do is we need to add the two middle numbers and then divide them by 2. We have to work out what would be in the middle. So we're basically working out the mean, the average, the mean of the two middle values. So we add 6 and 7 together and then divide it by 2. And what we should get is the number that falls bang in the middle, which in this case would be 6.5. So whenever you have an even set of numbers, you need to add both middle numbers together. And you can tell that they're the middle because there's 4 numbers after it and 4 numbers before it. So the median here is going to be 6.5. Then lastly, the mode, very simply the most common number, and in this data set, it's 7. There are 3 instances of 7, or the frequency of the number 7 is 3. So that's it, guys. That's everything you need to know to work out the range, median, and mode. Cheers, guys!